Okay, welcome back. So look at uh can you see this is the October 2023 exam? How about can you see that? All right. Can you see this is the mathematics Oct- October 2023 exam? And in here, let me make sure I'm also live on FB. Just give me 1 second. Sorry, it's taking a minute. Right. You can all see my screen, right? And you can hear me nicely? All right, so this is October 2023 paper. What I want to show you is why I'm teaching you what I'm teaching you. So please look. Can you see this? This is number 17. Can you see? Good. What is the question saying? Can you read the question? No. The question. An estimate of the what? Yes, that's good. The mean age. Calculate an estimate of the mean. So can you see that this is about mean? In the 2023 paper? And they gave you just this table and they want the mean. Are you seeing? So that's what I want to teach you. I want to teach you how to get mean when you're given a table, okay? I want to teach you how to get mean in all situations. We kind of did mean already. I can show you another paper. Here's another paper. Let's see which year this is. Which year is this? Can you see? What is it? October 2024 paper 2. Let's go down. Calculate what? Read the question. Calculate. Yes, well done, Vic. An estimate of the mean mass. Can you see it's about mean again? Whether it's mean mass or mean whatever, we don't care. As long as it says the word mean, we must be able to do it. So let's start with the work. Let's start where it starts. Right. Let's say they give you this, or let's go straight to the question. Here, we'll talk about other things, but can you see? Let's find the mean here for these things. Are you seeing? This is the first. Let's see how to find. Then we'll do in the table. This is where it starts. So we start here. Then we do how to find mean in the table. Well, give me a second. Can you see? Boys? Right, let's move. Let's move together quickly. This one I know you already know. We've done it already. So we want to just do all the different types of mean. Now that you people know how to do the first one, we can do the rest. What is the general formula for mean? What is it? Mean is equal to what? Sum over total number of objects. Right? This is generally how we get mean. Is it correct? AT, is this correct? Respond quickly. Respond quickly. You know that. Mean is sum over the total number of things. This is the general way to get mean. Make sure you're paying attention closely. You have to respond quickly. So in here, if they ask me to find mean for things that are listed like this is the easiest type of question. To find mean for things that are listed like this, I just add them and I divide by how many they are. So let's add them. Okay? Let's start with number 1A. Remember, you add and you divide by how many the things are. So you'd say mean is equal to, what is the smallest number you can see? What is the smallest number you can see on number 1A? What's the smallest number? The smallest number is 2. And there's only one of it, right? So you're going to say 2 plus, remember you're doing sum. What is the next number you can see on number 1A? 3. How many 3s can you see? 1 here, 2 here. So we saw 2 3, so you say plus 2 3s. Plus, what's the next number here? 4. How many 4s can you see? Only 1. This one that I've cancelled. So you say plus 4. Plus, what is the next number? What's the next number after 4? Yes, the next number is 5. How many 5s can you see? Good. Plus, well done, we've cancelled it. What's the next number after 5? Good, 8. Good, Vic. How many 6s can you see, Vic? Only 1. Well done. Plus, what's the next number after 6? 80. What is the next number? 10. Can't you see 7? 7. So you put 7. Plus, what's the next number after 7? It's Vic's turn. Vic is 10. Divided by 80. How many digits are there altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits altogether. So now, tell me, what answer do you get here? For mean here. The answer is 5. So you've seen the mean? Okay. Well done. Now let's go to the next one. B. We get mean, and it is going to be equal to sum. You add, then you divide by how many the things are. You add, then you divide by how many the things are. So let's add the things and let's divide by how many they are. What you can do if you want, you can rewrite the numbers in order, okay? It's still fine to say the smallest is 5, then comes 7. But I think that's double work. Let's just do the canceling. What is the smallest number you can see in B here, which is highlighted? Don't change the order. You start with the smallest number. The smallest number is 5. And how many 5s do we have? This one only. So you're going to say 5 plus, what's the next number after 5? Is 6 there? It's Vic's turn. It's Vic's turn. Vic. And how many are they? Two sevens. Plus, what's the next number? Move, 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 move. Let's move. What is the next number after 7 in terms of size? Is 8 there? Yes, take tens. Take tens. It's 8 is 10. It's 8. 8 is there, so we put it. There's only one of it, so you just put it as an 8. Plus, what is the next number after 8, Vic? 9. How many 9s do we have, Vic? I've highlighted this one in blue. Is there another one? Oh, no. So only have one, so plus 9. Plus, what's the next number after 9? Is 10 there? Where is it? Here? How many 10s are there? Only one. So we just say plus 10. Plus, what is the next number after 10? 11. Okay. It was supposed to be Vic's turn. You should remember that. Take turns. 11. And how many 11s are there? Only one. Plus, what's the next number after 11 now, Vic? 12. How many 12s can you see? Only this one. Okay. So we say plus 12. Plus, what's the next number after 12? 80. 14. How many 14s are there? Only one. Plus, what's the next number after 14, Vic? Is 15 there? No. Is 16 there? It is only one. So you say plus 16. Okay. Then you divide by how many numbers are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divided by 10. So can you add the things on top and tell me what answer you get? Then we'll divide by 10 and we get the mean. Remember, the mean is you add, then you divide by how many those objects are. You cannot forget this. Sum over total number of objects. That's the mean. Okay? I'm not going to allow you to forget it. You have to remember this. What is the answer there? $9.9. That's the mean. Yes. Pardon? Where? Here? You say plus 2 open bracket 7. Exactly as it is. Do it. Exactly as it is. Plus 2 open bracket 7 close bracket, then plus 8 and stuff like that. Do it and tell me. Did you do that? 80? What's the answer? 9.9. Good job. Let me see. Hey Agam, how are you? So, let's go to the third one. Let's find mean. Okay? 80, Agam, and Vic. Let's go to the third one. Here, let's do this one. We want to find mean. Let's move very fast, okay? I have a lot of work to do with you guys. Want to move very fast. How do you find mean? Tell me quickly. How do you find mean? From twos? Yes, it's the sum over the total number of objects. How do you find mean, Vic? Thank you. So let's do the sum. How do you start? You look for the smallest number. You look for the smallest number. What is the smallest number on the numbers you've been given here? Browse through quickly, guys. What is the smallest number there? No. In part C, the one I've highlighted, 12. And how many 12s do you have? 1. So you cancel it and you just write 12. Okay. Plus, what's the next number after 12? Is 13 there? Is 14 there? It's Vic's turn. How many 14s are there, Vic? Oh, it was yours. Oh, sorry. So it'll be 2 by 14. So now we're back to you, 80. Is 15 there? And how many 15s are there? It's 80's 10. 1. So it's you just write it as 15. Plus, is 16 there, Vic? How many are there? 2. Don't make such a mistake. So 2 16s. Plus, that's why you have to cancel. Make sure you're canceling with your pencil as you're doing it. Is 17 there, 80? And how many 17s are there? 4 of them. Wow, that's good. So we're going to say plus 4 17s. Plus, is 18 there? Okay, we cancel the 1, 2, the 3, the 4. How many 18s are there? 1. Now we divide by the total number of things. What is the total number of things? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So can you add and then divide by 12 afterwards? Tell me what answer you get, students. Tell me. Fourteen point 14.146. As you mean. Does everyone agree? Okay. So are we becoming good at this one? Let's do D. Mean will be equal to, what do you do, Mr. AT? We want to start doing the mean. What should we do? Okay. The smallest number. What is the smallest number? 99. It's just one of it, so we say 99. Then what do you do next? Quickly. What do you do next? No. The next number. We add the next number. Which one is it? No. Yes. We add 108. And how many are they? 2. So we say plus 2 by 108. So we say plus what? What's the next one? And it's 1. So you say plus 1, 1, 1. Plus what's the next one? What is the next one, boys? Everybody, students? 112 is the next one. So you say plus 112. Then you divide by the total number of things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You divide by 5 and you can find the mean. Always add. Remember, on top, you must add. Then divide by how many things they are. So what do we get here? Can you add exactly the way it's written on the top? Put it in your calculator like this. 99 plus 2 open bracket 108 close bracket plus 111 plus 112. What do you get? $107.6. Are we together? Right. Now, let's do part E. How do we do it, Mr. AT? Mr. Vic? Quickly. Starting from the smallest. And what will we be doing? We'll put them in order. Okay. What will you be doing to them? What will we be doing to each of the numbers? Will we be dividing them? We'll be adding them. So tell me the smallest. We're doing part E. $57. That's the most important thing. You have to start with the smallest when you're doing your mean, and you'll be adding them. So it's 57. Then you say plus. What is the next one? The next one is 61. And how many are they? So plus 2 by 61. Plus what's the next one? Okay. Good. 80. Vic, what's the next one? What's the next one, 80? 66, and it's 1. What's the next one, Vic? 67. You divide by the total number of things. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You divide by 7. What is the answer? The answer is what? The answer is 63. So have you seen how to get mean? Are we all agreeing on this one? On mean? Now let's go to the harder one. Because we want to be able to do also the ones you're given in the exam. So this one which we have been doing, where you are given things like here, where you are given things like here, and then they ask you calculate the mean. They have been given to you. You have been given the things. And then they're asking for mean. But everything has been given. And it's listed. It's not in a table. So this is what we call ungrouped data. Okay? There are 3 different situations that you can get. Don't let me down. Come on, students. I just showed you at the beginning of the lesson how it's going to come in the past paper. It may come as a table, which is harder than this, or it can come like this. So for ungrouped data, we added all the things, then we divided by how many they were. Didn't we? Is that what we did? Is that what we did, students? Okay. Now, we are going to a table. This is now called grouped data. When you are now given a table, what type of data are you now being given? Grouped data. So when you see a table and they ask for mean, what type of data is that? Yes, Vic, what type of data is it if you're given a table and they ask for mean? It's grouped because it's in a table. Now, listen closely. There are 2 types of tables. There are 2 types of group data. We have group data, which is like this. Look at it. Grouped data will be a table. And your table will always have a frequency column. We are not worried about that one. This other one, which is not the frequency, is the one I want you to watch. Are you seeing this one? What is it called this time? It's called number of goals, right? And can you see they gave you the number of goals nicely in the table? Are you seeing that? They gave you the number of goals nicely in the table. So, okay, I have grouped data, but my information is given nicely. So this type of group data is called discrete. So this is discrete grouped data. Let's look for another table. Look at this one now. Look at this table. Is it a table? Is it a table? Yes or no? Good. Did they ask for mean? Did they ask for mean? Yes or no, Vic? They did. So what type of data is this? A table, and they asked for mean. I said, what type of data is it? It's grouped data because it's in a table. It's grouped data. Now, okay, frequency we don't mind. But now let's look at this other column now. Look at this other column. Are you given the values nicely? What? That's not true. Are you given the values nicely here? Can't you see that it's saying 0 to something, then these twos? It's not one value. They're not specific. Good. They didn't tell us which value. They just told us from this to this, from this to this. They could even give it to you like this. From 0 to 10, from 10 to 20, from 20 to 30. Are they specific? Are they specific? Are they specific here, class? Is this table telling you which value in hours was the viewing time? Can you tell me which one it is? For the first, is it 0 or 10? Tell me. You have to tell me. You said it's specific, right? So please tell me, how many hours was the viewing time? Tell me the viewing time, please. Tell me, I want it. Between 0 and 10. What's the viewing time there? Tell me. Tell me the viewing time, please. Hello? Can I have my viewing time? Do you see that it's not specific? It's not, we don't know what is the viewing time. They say 0 to 10. Here they say 10 to 20. Here they say 20 to 30. We don't know what's the viewing time. This is the second type of table you can get. The first type of table is easy. In the first table we had, they gave us the number of cars. They didn't say 0 to 10 cars or what. They gave us 0 cars for the first one. 1 car, 70 people had 1 car. 2 cars, frequency means the number of people. 2 cars, 21 people had. 3 cars, 3 people had. 4 cars, only 1 person had 4 cars. So here the table is specific. It's easy to use because the number of cars we know for each situation and the frequency we know for each situation. So yes, because it's a table, it's called grouped data, right? But because the information we know, it will be called discrete grouped data. Are we together? 80, are we together? Yes, respond. So, discrete grouped data is easy to see because the values, you can see them in your table. But this other type of group data, it's a table. So yes, it's group data because it's a table, but it's not specific. It's not specific. It will be now called continuous grouped data. You hear me? It's now called what? When the table is like this, where it's not specific, or even like this. You don't know how much pocket money these 12 people got. They are not specific. They just said 0 to 100 pounds. They are not specific. So this table is group data, but is it discrete or continuous? Tell me. What type of group? Is it discrete, where you can see the values nicely, or is it continuous, where you can't see the value? It's continuous. You cannot see the value. So are we together on this? AT, are we together? Vic, are we together? So we have two more means to find. Isn't we were finding mean for things that are listed, and we said that was what? What type of data was this one? Here. What type of data was this one? Where the things were not in a table. It was ungrouped. Vic, this is ungrouped, right? It's not in a table, right, Vic? So it's ungrouped, right? Good. Now, because it's ungrouped, we saw how to find it. We add and we divide by how many they are. Now we are doing step number 2. There are 3 types of means you must be able to find. We are now doing on step number 2, which is how to find it when you have group data, but it's discrete. Are we together? Am I being heard? Let's do it. Draw for me now. I want you to write in your books to say mean. Then I want you to say discrete. Say discrete grouped data. Discrete grouped data. Quickly. Why am I hearing background noise? It's making my ears itch. Tell me, have you read? Have you written this? I want these notes. This is 13 May 2026. Mean and for discrete group data. So now let's do it. Here it says number of goals. Then here it says frequency. So they told us the number of goals nicely. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goals. Then 0 goals, which was 8, 1 goes with 10, 2 goes with 12, 3 goes with 3, 4 goes with 5, 5 goes with 2. So can you see? Now, what we need to do is find the mean. Boys and girls, what we have been asked to do here is to find the mean. Do you understand? Do you understand? What we've been asked to do here is to find the mean number of goals per match. Are we together? Let's do it. This is so easy. You just have to do 2 things and you can get the mean. Here's what you do. The first thing, you go to the table and you extend it. Then you say, number of goals times frequency. Can you see? Right. Right. Let's do it. Number of goals times frequency. Look, it's easy. You're not letting me down. The first thing, you multiply these 2 together. And then you are going to find their totals. The totals for this and for the new column which you have just made, and you can now find the mean. So now let's quickly do it. What's 0 times 8? 0. What's 1 times 10? 10. What's 2 times 12? 24. What's 3 times 3? 9. What's 4 times 5? 20. Good. What's 5 times 2? 10. Now add together. 18, 20, 35, 40. 40 here. Then 10 plus 10, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 24, 64. Okay? Plus 9, 71. If you understand? Do you understand? Right. Mean is going to be equal to now. Let's write. Now we write mean. You can even see them do it in this book. Okay, here it was supposed to be 71, I guess. All right. It's supposed to be 73. Okay. Then now you can see them find the mean to then say mean is 73 divided by 40. And the answer they got, which is the same, 1.825. This is how you do it. Am I being heard? So this is easy. Let's do for this one. Okay? You have to talk to me as fast as you can. Let's do it. Let's do it, boys. Let's do it, everyone, students. What is this question now saying? 80. Do you guys know cricket? Do you guys understand cricket? Yeah, runs, where you hit the ball, then you run to another and come back like that. Yes. So that's called a run. When you run to the other side and you come back, that's 2 runs. If you run to the other side and stop there, that's 1 run. So we want to see how many times did the person hitting the ball run. You hit the ball, then you quickly run. Okay? Are we together? So here, let's quickly make, what type of table is this? Tell me quickly, Vic. When you look at this table, you see that they want mean, right? You see that they want mean. You know you have 2 types of table. What type of table is this one? What type of table is this one that they want mean from? It's group data. And what type of data is it? Do you have the values nicely here? Okay, so what is it? It's grouped and it's what? We say discrete. Have you forgotten? Discrete grouped data. Discrete grouped data. So let's copy this table. So this table is easy. It's easy to get mean, right? We just need to do 2 things, right? Let's do them. Let's do them. So here we have number of runs. Then here we have frequency. So let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Frequency 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 1. This is the table. What is the first thing you do? What is the first thing, ladies and gentlemen? What is the first thing? What is the first thing? What is the first thing? I don't want guesswork. I do not want guesswork. Guesswork will make me vomit. I will actually vomit right now. I don't want guesswork. I don't want to hear anything that I didn't say. If you've forgotten what I said, you'd rather say you have forgotten. Okay? We use rules. Whatever we do, we use rules. We don't say from our own mind. Your mind is your enemy if it's wrong. So you have to use the rules. Tell me, what did I say? Look here. What is the first thing we did here? What is this? Did I add? What did I do? No. I multiplied the 2 columns. I multiplied the 2 columns. I multiplied the 2 columns. That is what I did. I multiplied the 2 columns. So we have to multiply number of runs times frequency. Do you hear me? Am I being clear here? Vic, what do you do? We multiply the two columns. So we make a new column. Well done. Where you multiply the two columns. Well done. Let's do that. Let's multiply the two columns. Number of runs times frequency, right? Right, guys? Let's go. Let's do it. Number of runs times frequency. Let's go for it. What is it going to be? 0 times 3. Let's multiply. What is 0 times 3? 0. What's 1 times 2? 2. What's 2 times 1? 2. What's 3 times 6? 18. What's 4 times 5? 20. What's 5 times 4? 20 again. What's 6 times 2? 12. What's 7 times 1? 7. What's 8 times 1? 8. Then what do you do? So this is the first thing, right? What is the first thing? You create a new column where you multiply the two columns, right? Then what is the second thing? Totals. The second thing is totals. Let's find the totals for these two columns. You made a mistake somewhere. You said 16 when it was 17. 5 plus 1 6 plus 6 12 plus 5 17 plus 4 21 plus 2 23 24 25. Then now let's add the number of runs. What is it? Is it 89? You punched nicely? Right. Now we find the mean. What is the mean, Vic? It's 89 over 25. You now say this total of these multiplications divided by the total frequency. Then you can get your answer. What is the answer? $3.56. Well done. So tell me the two steps when you get this type of table. What are the two steps? Tell me. Step number one, Vic, tell me the two steps quickly. Step number one, multiply what? Then what do you do as step number two? You get the totals. Totals of what? Of the last two columns, right? Frequency and the new one. You get their totals. Then when you get their totals, what is the last thing? You find the mean. Total of the last one, which is frequency times the number of runs divided by total of frequency only, which is the total number of things, then you can have your mean. Okay, this is the last one. Right. Tell me how to do it, Mr. Vic. How do I do this one? I'm going to be calculating on this paper here. I won't redraw this table. What is the first thing I should do? Tell me quickly. We extend the table. What is the new column supposed to say? Right. Let's go. What is the first one, Vic? No, first, what is the name of this? Goals per match times frequency. Well done, Vic. That's the first thing we multiply. Well done. What is the tell me the answers? 0. Good. Then 1 times 6. 6. Well done. Then let me tell you what the answer, the value was for this part. Right. Let's put. What is it? 68 here. 3 plus 8. 11, right? 8, 5. So we have multiplied. Well done. Then, because you say 4 times 2, then what? Now let's put, what are the totals? Let's put the totals now. Well done. 4 plus 6. Good. I'm a happy man. You guys are doing awesome. Well done, Vic. 4 plus 6 plus 34. Tell me. It's 55. Then let's put the goals per match, the times frequency. Let's put the total here. What's 0 plus 6 plus 11 plus? Can you add them? What is this? 80. Help us now. 80, help us now. That's it. Then, Vic, what's the last step? You're done. Just tell me the last step now, Vic. Mean will be what now? We say the bigger total, which is this one, right? Because, well done, because we find total for the last two. You don't really have to say the bigger one, but you say this one divided by this one. Well done, boys. 98 over 55. And what is the answer going to be for mean? $1.7. 8. Well done. So the mean will be 1.781. So we're only left with one more type of mean. Okay, boys? We're only left with one more type, which is that hardest one. And then I'll give you past paper questions. I know you're good. So far, so good. Can you tell me, we did mean of two types of data. The first one was what? Ungrouped data, right? And we were adding and dividing by how many they were, right? We did mean for ungrouped data. And then we just did mean for what right now? Discrete grouped data. Well done. Is it true, Vic? Now what is left? Continuous grouped data, where we can't know which value to choose, right? Continuous grouped data. All right. So now I'm going to give you a very big assignment. You do it and then you submit. Well done.